Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you are new to this channel, then do press the subscribe button because I make videos about make money online, affiliate marketing as well as online business on this channel. So just click on the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post a new video on this channel, and you can watch out all these videos on my channel. After watching this video, you are gonna get ton of content on this channel and new updated content is coming up. So today I'm going to reveal to you the best affiliate websites which you can join in from 2020 and make highest commissions from them. These are genuine websites which pay you 100%. There is no scam, nothing in this website. These are 100% legit websites which will definitely pay you at times. Okay, so let's go further and let's dive into our content. The first affiliate website which I'm going to recommend to you is clickbank.com. This is one of the biggest website which sells affiliate products. Okay, you just have to go to Clickbank and click on create account over here and you can join Clickbank. It is very beginner friendly and it accepts affiliate from all over the world except for the countries Nigeria and Pakistan. So sorry Nigerians and Pakistanis, but for everyone else who wants to join to Clickbank as an affiliate can join here and earn a great amount of commission. It has more than 4,000 products which you can promote, and all these categories are there like game, education categories, business, green products, health and fitness. All these categories are available. Whatever product you want to promote, you can promote. Whatever your niche is, you can find a product related to that niche in this program. So this is a great program which you can join if you are going to seriously do affiliate marketing in 2020 and want to earn a great amount of money. Okay, now we are going to the next program. The next program is known as JVZoo. So this is a program where most of the programs which are available in this are related to softwares. Okay, so if you are interested in software, if you are interested in promoting programs which are related to make money, or you are interested in promoting programs which are related to software, so this is a program for you. It is a great program and where you can find great deals of softwares which you can sell, which you can promote on your own website, or you can promote it through a YouTube channel and you can earn a great amount of commission from this website. I am currently using Clickbank as well as JVZoo, so you know that these two are 100% legit and they do provide payments at time. Next affiliate program is for CPA Marketers. So if you are interested in CPA marketing, so this is one of the great programs which you can join, but it takes some time. It is really something you want to have some experience in affiliate marketing so that you can get access to this program. If you are a bit experienced in affiliate marketing, then it would be easier for you to get accepted in Max Bounty, but here you can find a ton of offers. So I specially tell you that you should hustle a little bit so that you get accepted in this program. This is also a beginner friendly program and very easy to use. This has a great customer support, and one of the main thing is this program pays you on time each and every time. It has never failed to pay any commission on time. So this is a great program which you can join easily, and this is also one of the best programs which I recommend highly. I am currently also a member of this program, Max Bounty. Next program which I'm going to show you is Ad Work Media. If you don't get approval in Max Bounty and find very difficult to get approved in Max Bounty as a beginner, it would be a bit difficult for you to get accepted in Max Bounty. So you can join this network. This is Ad Work Media. This is also a CPA network. You may find a ton of CPA offers in this network which you can promote, and this is also a great program, and this is a 100% legit program which definitely pays you money. Okay, now next program I'm going to show you is if you are interested in promoting products which are related to fashion as well as other physical products, then most of those products are available on this program. This is called ShareASale. One of the best thing about this program is you get a big amount of commission on selling all these things. So if you have a blog or anything which are related to physical products, such as what can you say, fashion or anything else which you are selling physical products, or you are interested in promoting those, then this is a great site for you, or great affiliate website which you can join and do earn a great amount of commission from here. After that, I'm going to show you one of the best website which is CJ Affiliate. So this program also has thousands of offers which you can promote, and this program monthly gets almost 930 million plus of business. So you get all the definitely very targeted, or as we can say that most best of the products are available in this program to join. But it is a bit difficult to join as a beginner. They won't accept you. You must be a good affiliate marketer. You must have some sort of experience to join this program. But definitely I recommend you should try this program and hustle a little bit to get accepted in this program, because this program also pays you a huge amount of money, and this has one of the best offers which it can offer to you. And after that, at last, if but not the least, one of the biggest programs in the world, the biggest affiliate program in the world, Amazon affiliates. So if you are interested in making reviews about the products, or you are interested in showing how to use the product, or anything like that, if you are interested in reading books or reviewing books and whatever thing you are interested in, you can find that thing in Amazon. So whatever you do, you can still find a product of your category to promote using Amazon. In whichever niche you create content, you can find a product which is related to your niche on Amazon. So this is also one of the great way to monetize the content. But one of the problem of Amazon is it pays you very less commission. All the other programs may pay you almost 50 to 75% commission, but Amazon will only pay you 5 to 12% commission. So that's something which is not good about this program. But Amazon is a very trusted vendor, and you may find more amount of sales using this program. So this is also one of the great program which you can promote. So yeah, if you like this video and got some value from this video, then I would like to tell you that you should subscribe to this channel Moneymaker 001, because more good content is coming up. And stay tuned, we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay connected.